everyone. I'm Stephanie Breeding, principal here at Rineyville Elementary. What a great night for our back to school open house to meet all of our new faces. We have lots of information about busing, events in the community, as well as like Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts. There's also vendors from Communicare and therapy that students can receive. Lots of self-help things for families, as well as getting to meet their teachers this school year. We look very forward to the 2019-20 school year.
Hi, I'm Stacy Bronner. I'm Director of Curriculum Instruction for Hardin County Schools, and what my role is tonight here at Rineyville is I am helping with the Infinite Campus updates so that we have current information on our students here at Rineyville Elementary. Information that they can get on Infinite Campus is the grades, student grades. Right now what we're just working on are the current addresses so that we make sure our students are getting home and to the right places, the right emergency contacts, and those other contacts for pickups or whatever else that Infinite Campus allows us to look at.
Hi, I'm Elaine Wiseman at Rineyville Elementary, the cafeteria manager, and we're here tonight at Open House. Rineyville has free breakfast and lunch every day. For full price is $2.70, reduced is 40 cents. You can go on the Hardin County website, and it has your menus, free and reduced forms if you need to fill those out. And it has an app you can download to your telephone.
Hi, I'm Carrie Martin. I'm the art teacher at Rineyville.
Hi, I'm Megan Hammer, and I am the music teacher here at Rineyville.
Hi, I'm Marie Van Meter, and I'm the science teacher at Rineyville.
We're looking forward to a great school year.
Hi, I'm Eli Mitchell. I'm the new PE teacher. I'm super excited to be at Rineyville Elementary.
This is my lovely wife, Alyssa Granette. She's giving free haircuts at Rineyville Elementary tonight.
Hi, my name is Chris Humphrey. I'm with Communicare. We're here offering school-based therapy for any of the students and parents that are involved and want to get involved with us. So if you have any information or want the information, just give us a call. The number is located here, 1-888-344-8066, and then we'll give you more information about the school-based therapy.
Hi, I'm Harmony, and I'm a 5th grader in Rineyville, and I'm in Troop 655, and if you want to become a Girl Scout like me, come to this website right here. We do camping, different activities for different badges, and we get many prizes for selling cookies. Right here are some of them. And for different grades, you have different activities. I am a junior in mine, and whenever you go to different camps, you can meet new people, make new friends. One of the things that I enjoy the most during Girl Scouts is I get to go out, I get to travel around the world go to different camps, and I get to meet new people, and I get to sell cookies, and I get prizes.
Hi, I'm Susan Masters. I'm with Rineyville Community Youth Soccer, and our registration is open right now. You can go to www.rineyvillesoccer.org and find out all of the information, birth charts, registration fees, how you can be a volunteer coach, what's expected of parents, what equipment that you need. We also have a donation bin, so if you need equipment or if your kids have outgrown your equipment and would like to donate that so that it can be repurposed, we would appreciate that. We have lots of resources for volunteer coaches. So 25 years ago, I knew what a soccer ball was, but didn't know anything about the game. And so someone just loved me into it, gave me lots of resources and support, and here I am today. If you need additional information, I'm at 270-234-6052. Again, Susan Masters. I'm the president of Rineyville Community Youth Soccer, and we would love to have you come and play with us.
My name is Holly Cusimano. I'm here representing North Hardin's cross-country team. We are trying to help kids keep more active. Right now we're trying to start an elementary school cross-country team. We're trying to get more elementary kids active and running. To do that, we're trying to invite more children to come and run with James T. Alton and North Hardin High School's cross-country team.
Hi, my name is Hope Burke, and I'm with Helping Hand of Hope. We are located here in Hardin County, and we assist families with utility, rental assistance, beds for children's program through the Family Resource Centers through the schools. We also have a family resource program that helps with our food pantry, and we also have volunteer opportunities. So we are here today to just let all the families know what all we do here in Hardin County.
Hello, I am Sue Edson. I am a bus monitor, and as you can see down through here, we have several monitors and drivers that are out this evening to try to help the parents and students figure out what bus they will be on and who they'll be riding with. For the first few weeks, be patient with us as we establish our routes and find out where everybody's located and what time we'll pick you up. Have a good year.
I'm Summer Cruz. I'm with Hard Memorial Health, and we are here handing out healthy lunch options and colored pencils and outdoor scavenger ideas. So just trying to help them kick off the school year.
I'm Diane Lewis, here representing Open Arms Support Group for relative caregivers and grandparents. We offer a lot of support. We meet every week at Denny's restaurant at 9:30 a.m. and we talk about our problems. We have some seminars, just a lot of shared information and support for grandparents or relative caregivers.
Hi, I'm Kristen Abel. I'm with Way to Work. Way to Work is a program that is funded by United Way and Goodwill Industries. We are a career readiness program, so if an individual wants a job or wants a better job, they could come through our program. It's a 4-day soft skills class, and once they graduate, they receive career coaching for life. It's at no cost. We also provide barrier removal services, so if someone needs transportation to and from work, we will provide that. If they need clothing for employment, we also help with that. Basically anything that someone would need to stay employed is what we're there for. And we are there forever, so if anybody ever needs anything, they can always call us back and come back to utilize our services.
I'm Rhonda Bertrand, and I work with Community Collaboration for Children, which is CCC. And we are an in-home, we go into homes, teach parenting, whatever needs to be done to keep families together. So we work with Rineyville Family Resource. We work with Rineyville Family Resource Center, so if you need any information, please contact Miss Newton, and she will be able to hook you up with our services.
My name is Veronica Polk, and I'm here with Exit Realty Heartland. I'm a realtor for this company, and we are actually just trying to showcase our products that we have and what we offer.
Hi, my name is Ashley Dye, and I'm one of the vice presidents for the Rineyville PTA, which is the Parent Teacher Association. We do a lot of fun events throughout the school year to build community within our school with the parents, teachers, and students. Some of those events this year are the Fall Festival, Winter Celebration, Skate Night, and Paint Night. And if you'd like to get involved, you can contact us at RineyvillePTA@gmail.com.
Hi, my name is Miss Pretty, and we just want to say thank you for joining us at Rineyville's Open House.